Saturday evening, and Bayo was watching his favorite cartoon when suddenly, boom! The whole house went dark. Bayo, bring the torchlight from the drawer, his mom called out. As Bayo searched for the torchlight, he wondered, why does the whole house go dark just because the electricity stops?
Electricity is the movement of electrons through wires. Just like water flow in a pipe, electricity flows in a wire. This movement is called electric current. Electric, moving electrons. It flows like water in a pipe. The flow is called electric current.
The next morning, Bayo asked his mom, "Mommy, what is electricity really made of?" His mom smiled and replied, "Well, electricity is like tiny invisible workers called electrons. They move very fast inside wires to give us power." Bayo imagined tiny workers running inside the wires. It made him laugh.
Electricity is a form of energy that powers many things around us like light bulbs, TVs, fans, fridges, phone chargers. When the supply of electricity stops, everything connected to it turns off. Electricity powers our home. Without electricity, appliances stop working.
At school, Bayo's teacher showed the class a big poster. "Children," she said, "electricity comes from different places." Bayo raised his hand. "Is NEPA the only place?" The class laughed. "No," the teacher replied. "Electricity can come from water, hydro, sun, solar, wind turbines, generators, batteries." Bayo's eyes widened. "So even the sun can give electricity?"
Water. Dams push water to spin turbines. Sun. Solar panels absorb sunlight. Wind. Windmills spin to produce electricity. Fuel generators. Burning fuel creates motion that produces power. Batteries store small amounts of electricity. Electricity comes from water, sun, wind, fuel, and batteries. We use these sources to power homes, schools, and gadgets.
During science practical, the teacher placed objects on the table: a spoon, wood, rubber, a coin, and plastic. "Bayo, touch only the ones that don't allow electricity to pass," she instructed. Bayo picked the wood and rubber. "Correct," the teacher said. "Those are insulators. The others, spoon and coin, are conductors." Bayo felt like a scientist.
Conductors allow electricity to pass through them. Examples: metal spoon, keys, wires, coin. Insulators do not allow electricity pass. Example: rubber, plastic, wood, cloth. This is why wires are covered with rubber to protect us from shock. Metals, conductor. Rubber and plastic, insulator. Insulators protect us from shock.
That evening, Bayo and his older brother built a small lamp circuit. Electricity needs a complete path, his brother explained. If the path is broken, no light. They connected the battery, wire, bulb, wire, back to the battery. When Bayo switched it on, the bulb glowed. Wow! So electricity must travel in a cycle. Exactly. That cycle is called circuit.
A circuit is a complete closed path that electricity travels through. It must have a power source, battery or electricity supply, wires, a load, bulb, fan, phone charger, sometimes a switch. If any part is disconnected, electricity stops flowing. Circuits, a complete path. If the path breaks, no electricity flows.
One day, Bayo tried to remove his charger by pulling the wire. Bayo! His mom shouted, always hold the head of the plug, not the wire. Electricity is helpful but dangerous. Bayo nodded. He remembered the safety rules from school.
Very important safety rules. Never touch electricity sockets with wet hands. Do not insert metals objects into sockets. Do not touch naked wires. Do not overload sockets. Always switch off before unplugging. Electricity is useful but must be handled with care. Electricity is dangerous if misused. Follow safety rules to stay protected.
Later that week, the power returned after a long blackout. Up NEPA! Everyone shouted. Bayo smiled because he now understood electricity, how it's made, how it travels, and how to stay safe. He turned on his lamp and whispered, "Thank you, tiny electrons."
Final explanation. Electricity powers our world. It comes from many sources and moves in a circuit. It is very useful but must be handled safely.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the topic you like us to discuss next.